Hello guys, today I will show you how to make green screen edits. Like if you have something called green screen and you don't know how to use the green screen edits, today I will show you how. Subscribe to me, like the video, share with all your friends, comment what you want me to make next, and now I'm gonna show you my screen. Hello guys, so here we are. So like you just have to go to YouTube first of all, and then just write like green screen effects, like how I wrote, and I got the green screen effect, like just sonic effect right here. I got that one. So just write green screen effects, and you can use if you're searching for a specific effect, you can write it, like the subscribe and all that stuff, like all the this guy's effects or the other like comment and all the stuff effects, like Minecraft effect, like this one right here. You have to search for it. So I already have one. Actually, I'm gonna do another one. Like this one right here. Actually, I'm gonna do sorry for that. I'm just gonna I'm searching for effect. Okay. There should be an effect I can use. These voices are too loud. Green screen effects, no sound. Actually, I already have one, so I don't need these, but I'll also get this one. Sorry for that loud sound. I'm sorry for the loud sound. So first of all, let's go to the iMovie. Actually, let me just delete this here, and now just press the plus icon right there, and press on videos. Go to video, and now like I have actually I have a video. I made a special video for. Hello guys, as I'm recording this for. I record this for the example. So, and now come here, and you see the magnifying, the searching icon right there. Tap on it. Yeah, so tap on it. So you can like I'm gonna actually put more here, and now see the green screen, like the video I have here, and press on options, the setting options, and press on green or blue screen. It's written green, blue. It's written like green and blue screen. Press on it. Now give it a second to load. It has to load. So as you can see now. Hello guys, as I'm recording. Actually, I'm gonna remove the sound. See, it's like a jump scare. So I showed you how to use green screen. It's very simple and easy. It's not even that hard. It's not like that hard work even. It's very easy. You can just do it like 1 minute. So that's it for today. Subscribe to me, like the video, share it with all your friends, comment what you want to make next, and bye for now.